This is the importance of studying geography. Studying geography is essential for gaining a better understanding of the world we live in. Geography allows us to explore and comprehend the physical and human processes that shape our planet, including the distribution of natural resources, population patterns, climate change, and cultural diversity. It enables us to grasp the connection between different regions and nations and appreciate their unique characteristics. Moreover, geography equips us with critical thinking skills, spatial analysis, and problem solving abilities, which are valuable in various fields such as urban planning, environmental management, international relations, and business. By studying geography, we can become more informed, engaged, and responsible global citizens and contribute to creating a sustainable and equitable future for all. That's it, sir. Thank you.
Impact of common activities on environment. Human activities have a significant impact on the environment, including the depletion of nature and resources and climate change. Pollution and deforest, deforestation of nature and biodiversity and increase in global population and economic and activities had led to higher and demand for energy, food, water, and land, which often resources are in enviable enviable practice. An explanation of economic system. The action have conscious as a loss of habit. For many special soul irrigation, definition, water, scarcity, and the emotion of a greenhouse gas that contribute global warming. This in fact can offend human humility, economic de- development, and the well-being on future generation. It is the resource critical to avoid sustainable practice that protection, conservation, and reduce waste and minimums negative impact on the environment.
My name is Clem Vigid. I Raot Raot. Number 3. Explain the cultural and historical significance of each continent. Each continent has a unique cultural and historical significance that is shaped by its geography, climate, and human interaction. Africa is known for its rich and diverse cultural heritage, including ancient civilization such as Egypt and Ethiopia, which left behind magnificent moments and artifacts. It it also is a history of colonization and slavery that has had a profound impact on its people and cultures. Asia has long and complex history that includes the rise and fall of empires and develop of great religion such as Hinduism, Buddhism, and Islam, and significant cultural contribution such as literature to arts, literature, and Europe is renowned for its influential contribution to arts, literature, and science, as well as its history of colonialism, and world wars that have shaped the course of modern history. North America is the birthplace of several indigenous cultures as well as a hub of innovation and progress from the American Revolution to Silicon Valley tech industry. South America is known for its vibrant music, dance, and festival, as well as its ancient civilization like the Incas and the Mayans, who create impressive monuments and achievements in astronomy and engineering. Australia and oceans are home to some of world's oldest surviving indigenous cultures and rich biodiversity that includes unique flora and fauna found nowhere else on Earth. And I thank you.
The impact of climate change on each continent. Climate change is a global phenomenon that affects every continent, but the specific impact vary depending on the region. In Africa, climate change is causing increased drought, water scarcity, and crop failures, which threaten food security and exacerbate poverty and conflict. Asia is highly vulnerable to climate change, with rising sea levels more than frequent and serious natural disaster and melting glaciers that threaten water supplies for million people. Europe is experiencing more than extreme weather events such as heat waves, flooding, and wildfire, which pose risk to human health and infrastructure and ecosystem. North America is experiencing more frequent and intense storm, heat waves, and wildfires, which are exacerbating existing social and economic inequalities. South America is seeing the impact of climate change through melting glaciers, water scarcity, and deforestation, which is threatening biodiversity and contributes of a displacement of indigenous communities. Australia and Oceania are experiencing more frequent and serves drought, heat waves, and coral bleaching, which pose significant risks to ecosystem, tourism, and human health.
5. Human activities have had significant impacts on all of the world's oceans. The impacts can be categorized into four main areas, such as climate change, pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction. The Arctic Ocean has been greatly affected by climate change and is warming at a faster rate than any other ocean. This had led to the loss of sea ice, which affects the entire Arctic ecosystem. Human activities such as oil and gas exploration are also contributing to pollution in this region. Swordfish and seals and industrial waste, marine life and habitats. The Indian Ocean has been impacted by the pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction. Overfishing has led to the decline of several species of tuna and other fish, while pollution from agricultural spills pose significant risks of human activities, temperature, and currents, leading to several species. Pollution from plastic waste and industrial waste is also a major issue in the region, as is overfishing and habitat destruction. Overall, human activities have significant impacts on the world, and it is important for us to take action to mitigate this important ecosystem.